everybody. So we are staying in the Pink Gin Village on level 5 on the 5th floor, and we're staying in 1524. So when you first walk into the room, this is basically what you will come to, and then you make a left and you automatically get to the closet. It has a safe, it has a ironing board, extra pillows, extra blankets, and plenty of space if you want to go ahead and hang up things and or unpack, and I probably will, even though we're only here for a couple days. Then you walk down again, you have your full length mirror, so hey, and then you walk into your left again, and here is the bathroom. So you have a nice little sitting area just for you to relax after coming in from the pool. A beautiful rainfall shower head. Beautiful shower, nice and big. Then this mirror, guys, is the one that I wish we had at our house. A beautiful sink. It comes with Red Lane Spa. And Red Lane is where you can go and get a facial if you're coming here for your wedding or anything else. Perfect. And then you have a toilet, a little window that you can actually hear and listen to. There's a hairdryer there for you. And then you walk in here, and here is the bedroom. And this is a king-size bed, perfect for anybody, whether you are coming on your honeymoon, your wedding anniversary, birthday, whatever. And then this actually slides open. So if you wanted to have it open, you could, perfectly fine. The one thing that I will say, and I'll mention it again, is you will need a converter. So there's only a few of the, like a couple outlets of the regular outlets like you will find in the US. Everything else has a converter, so you definitely want to do that. So it comes with coffee, coffee maker, a kettle you can cook up tea with. When you come down here, you will actually see the fridge, and it is fully stocked. It has sodas, drinks, juices, waters, whatever you want, and it's fully stocked. And then you can also have some wine delivered to your room, so that's another plus. And Sandals, because we are here on a fam, we are getting to know and learn about the resort. They also left us this amazing little gift for us. So there's the pillows, you have a little desk, a little table you can sit at, and we're about to go to the real thing. Say hello to Jason. And this is our view. And guys, it is still even beautiful, even when it's raining. And that is Pink Gin Village Beach, or Pink Gin Beach down there. So we have an oceanfront view.